Hi guys, I hope you're staying safe and healthy through this challenging time in our country. So first of all, we are from the second group and today we would like to talk to all of you guys about multiplier and accelerator. But before we continue to discuss about the topic, I'm going to introduce every members in our group. The first is Fabi Malia Purnomo, namely myself with student number 090. The second is Muhammad Fari Batiar with student number 065. The next one is Muhammad Hanif Arifin with student number 078. The fourth is Sinta Alfiatin Ni'mah with student number 114. The last is Zafira Friana Azza with student number 073. And now, let's go to discuss our main topic. What are the two things you can do with your income? I guess everyone will use their income to buy things they want or just simply save the money in the bank. But if someone asks me that type of question, I will spontaneously answer by investing the money. Why? If you are curious with the answer, it will be explained in today's presentation. The amount of spending affects total output in an economy. Consumption and saving. The first function is APC or average propensity to consume. APC is defined as a ratio of consumption, spending to any given disposable personal income. APC is calculated by dividing consumption by income. The next function is APS or average propensity to save. APS is defined as a ratio of saving to any given disposable personal income. APS is calculated by dividing saving by income. For the third function is MPC or marginal propensity to consume. MPC is defined as a ratio of change in consumption to change in income. MPC is calculated by dividing change in consumption by change in income. The last function is MPS, or marginal propensity to save. MPS is defined as a ratio of change in saving to change in income. MPS is calculated by dividing change in saving by change in income. This is the graph of consumption and saving function. So, the graph will form a 45-degree angle. The slope of C is the same as MPC, where MPC plus MPS equals 1. And the part that the arrow points to the lower left is the saving. The next slide will be explained by my friend Fahri. The time is yours.
Definition of multiplier. An initial change in aggregate demand will lead to greater increase in the final level of equilibrium national income. And then, how to calculate the multiplier effect? The first is multiplier. Multiplier is change in real GDP divided by initial change in spending. And then change in GDP, multiplier multiplied by initial change in spending. And this is the table of the multiplier effect in increasing investment and the all round. Now let's go to Bali Island and party with the multiplier. During spring break, college students like to head to Bali Island. The multiplier is getting ready to work. With rupiah in their pockets, the students spend money on food and drink, motel rooms, dance clubs, etc. This rupiah raise total income thereby some multiple of itself. And then, college students buy pizzas, beer and sodas. The people who sell this item find their income rising. They spend some fraction of their increased income, which generates additional income for others. If the students spend 8 million rupiah at Bali and the MPC is 0.60, then college student will increase income in Bali by 20 million. And then, when the networks show scene of the beach, the average person simply sees college students having a good time. But economists see the multiplier at work. generating higher level of income for many of the residents of Bali Island.
The marginal propensity's inverse relationship between multiplier and NPS multiplier equal 1 divided by NPS or 1 divided by 1 minus NPC. For remember, change in GDP equal multiplier multiplied initial change in spending. Step-by-step working of multiplier if NPC is 0.5. Government increasing spending by 1 billion with a multiplier of 2. For the creation of a new road, the government needs $1 billion and their worker will get $500. Then the money to buy food. Next, foods build their buy plasma TV. TV factory worker buy new cars. Auto workers buy clothes and what a new girl. This is called the multiplier effect. And the total money flowing there is $2 billion. The first round of government spending caused the biggest splash if NPC of 75% government spent $200 billion on the highway, and highway workers save 25% of $200 billion is $50 billion and spend 75% or $150 billion on boots. Boots makers save 25% of $150 billion is $37.50 billion and spend 75% or $112.50 billion on iPod mini, etc. Multiplier effect can change in the consumption investment government or ex nihilo equal 1 divided by NPS, and this is example numerical of multiplier effect. The larger the NPC, the smaller the NPS and the greater the multiplier. This is the simple multiplier because it is based on a simple model of the economy.
Consumption multiplier. Consumption multiplier is a ratio of change in national income or delta Y to change in consumption or delta Z. How much income change as a result of change in consumption depends on consumption multiplier. Change in consumption will have a multiple effect on income. Y sama dengan FC. That is, national income will change many times more than the change in consumption. In consumption multiplier, we want to show the effect on consumption on national income. Here numerical example of consumption multiplier. Rumus awal dari national income adalah C plus I. C untuk konsumsi dan I untuk investasi. Berikut contoh soalnya diketahui C sama dengan 40 plus 0,60 Y dan IO atau investasi otonom sama dengan 80. Y sama dengan CO konsumsi otonom plus CY plus IO. Y sama dengan 40 plus 0,60 Y plus 80. Lalu 0,60 Y pindah ruas. Y mek 0,60 Y sama dengan 40 ditambah 80, 120. 0,40 Y sama dengan 120. 120 dibagi 0,40 sama dengan 300. Jadi 300 merupakan nilai equilibrium tingkat pendapatan awal. Sekarang mari kita anggap konsumsi otonom dari 40 ke 100. Jadi Y sama dengan C0 plus CY plus IO. Y sama dengan CO diganti 100 plus 0,60 Y plus 80. Y mek 0,6 Y sama dengan 180. 180 dibagi 0,4 Y sama dengan 450. Jadi ditemukan tingkat pendapatan equilibrium baru setelah konsumsi berubah menjadi 450. Untuk membuktikan jawaban sebelumnya, kita bisa menggunakan rumus dasar, yaitu K sama dengan 1 per 1 min B atau MPC. K sama dengan 1 per 1 min 0,60. K sama dengan 1 per 0,4. K sama dengan 2,5. Sekarang kita cocokkan dengan yang kita hitung sebelumnya. Pendapatan nasional ditemukan Y0 sama dengan 300, Y1 sama dengan 450. Delta Y sama dengan Y2 min Y1, 450 min 300 sama dengan 150. Untuk konsumsi otonom, tahu CO sama dengan 40, C1 sama dengan 100, delta C sama dengan 100 min 40, sama dengan 60. K sama dengan delta Y dibagi delta C. K sama dengan 150 dibagi 60 sama dengan 2,5. Hasilnya sama dengan rumus dasar yang di atas. Lalu, untuk sebelah kanan sendiri, kita bisa mengetahui itu adalah gambar grafik dari yang kita hitung sebelumnya. Government expenditure multiplier. Like a change in autonomous investment, change in government expenditure also has a multiple change in national income. Now, our national income Y will be equivalent to AD atau sama dengan C plus I plus G, AS sama dengan C plus I plus S, where C sama dengan CO plus CYD, where YD is personal disposable income which is equal to Y until T. Investment is equal to autonomous investment IO. The saving equation is S sama dengan min SO plus SYD. Government expenditure is autonomous expenditure IEGO. Taxes are also autonomous IETO. How much income change as a result of change in government expenditure is known as government expenditure multiplier, KGR. It is the ratio of change in national income, or delta Y, to change in government expenditure, or delta G. Here, numerical example of government expenditure multiplier. Rumusnya, Y sama dengan C plus IO plus GO. C untuk konsumsi, IO untuk investment otonom, dan GO untuk government otonom. Diketahui C sama dengan 40 plus 0,60 Y, IO sama dengan 80, dan GO sama dengan 60. Lalu kita taruh di persamaan, Y sama dengan 40 plus 0,60 Y plus 80 plus 60. 0,60 Y pindah ruas, Y min 0,60 Y sama dengan 180, lalu 180 dibagi 0,40, Y sama dengan 450.
Tax multiplier. Like a change in autonomous investment, the change in autonomous tax has a multiple effect on level of national income. However, there is a negative effect on level of national income. When tax rate increase, consumption decrease, and it leads to decrease in investment and ultimately decrease in the national income. As a result, NI decrease many a time depending upon the value of KT. Through KT, we find how much income change as a result of change in tax. Tax multiplier is a ratio of change in NI to change in tax. Numerical example of tax multiplier. Diketahui C sama dengan 40 plus 0,60 YD, LO sama dengan 80, GO sama dengan 60, TO sama dengan 20. Putting the values in income equation. Y sama dengan 40 plus 0,0 Y min 0,6 dikali 20 ditambah 80 ditambah 60. Y min 0,60 Y sama dengan 168. Y sama dengan 420. Now we assume that government increase tax from 20 kemudian 30. C sama dengan 40 plus 0,60 YD, LO sama dengan 80, GO sama dengan 60, TO sama dengan 30. Putting the values in income equation. Y sama dengan 40 plus 0,60 Y min 0,6 dikali 30 ditambah 80 ditambah 60. Y min 0,60 Y sama dengan 162. 0,4 Y sama dengan 162. Y sama dengan 405. 2. Acceleration. The principle of acceleration is based on the fact that demand for capital goods is derived from the demand for consumer goods. It means that if there is demand of consumer goods in market, investment will take place and demand for capital goods will increase. Acceleration. Acceleration principle explain the process by which an increase or decrease in demand for consumption goods leads to an increase or decrease in investment or capital goods. Simbolisasi beta sama dengan delta L per delta J, where beta is acceleration coefficient, delta L is net change in investment, and delta J is change in consumption expenditure. If the increase in consumption expenditure of 10 million leads to an increase in investment of 30 million, the acceleration coefficient is 3. This means that when the income of a community rise, the purchasing power of the people increase. They begin to buy more commodities. The higher and demand for consumers' goods leads to greater investment. The rise in investment is proportionally more than the rise in demand for consumption.
And that's from us. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.